Hey everyone! Today we've got a very practical topic to cover. How to get rid of worms in your dog without making that trip to the vet. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment down below. Your support is so valuable to us. Now, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the symptoms. The first step is to identify if your dog actually has worms. Common symptoms include, but are not limited to, vomiting, diarrhea, weight loss, dry and dull coat, visible worms in stool or fur. Step 2. Confirm with a fecal test. You can get a fecal test kit from a pet supply store. A study conducted by the University of Georgia's College of Veterinary Medicine emphasizes the importance of fecal exams to diagnose parasitic infections in dogs. Step 3. Weigh your dog. Knowing your dog's weight is crucial for accurate medication dosing. Always follow the guidelines provided by the medication manufacturer, which is backed by research for safety and efficacy. Step 4. Choose an over-the-counter dewormer. Many dewormers are available over the counter, including brands like Bayer's Drontal and Pfizer's Nemix. These have been studied and approved by the FDA for use in pets. Step 5. Administer the medication. Wearing gloves, follow the package instructions carefully to administer the dewormer to your dog. Make sure your pet has plenty of fresh water, as some medications can cause thirst. Step 6. Monitor your dog. After administering the medication, monitor your dog for any signs of distress, including vomiting, lethargy, or changes in behavior. If you notice any, contact your vet immediately. Step 7. Confirm treatment success. A few weeks after treatment, repeat the fecal test to confirm the absence of worms. If the test is still positive, you just have to consult your veterinarian for guidance. This one might be beyond something you can handle at home. So there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide on how to get rid of worms in your dog without heading to the vet. Always remember, while these steps are helpful, consulting a qualified veterinarian is the safest route to ensure your pet's health. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and drop a comment down below if you found this video helpful.